taught with pictures and simple animations. Attractive illustrations prove to be beneficial to engage your child and minimize distractions. Choose the correct food. Good try. Try again. Good try. Burger. Choose the correct food. Try again. Try again. Good try. Donut. Choose the correct food. Try again. Try again. Keep going. Cake. Choose the correct food. Try again. Keep going. Try again. Hot dog. Choose the correct food. Try again. Keep going. Try again. Carrot. Perfect! Match the same pictures. Shelf. Bench. Panda. Crescent. Match the same pictures. Truck. Helicopter. Clownfish. Donut. Match the same pictures. Deer. Square. Cat. Rectangle. Match the same pictures. Helicopter. Marker. Parachute. Toy ball. Match the same pictures. Diamond. Sofa. Bench. Carrot. Marvelous! Bulldozer. Cement mixer. Bus. Truck. Match the halves. Helicopter. Plane. Fire truck. Train. Join the two halves. Excavator. Motorcycle. Car. Boat. Perfect! Feed the food. Red. Green. Yellow. Feed the food by their favorite color. Green, red, yellow. Feed the food by their favorite color. Red, green, yellow. Marvelous! Capsicum. Try again. Potato. Grapes. Orange. Sort the fruits and vegetables. Corn. Carrot. Banana. Grapes. Sort the fruits and vegetables. Apple. Watermelon. Eggplant. Carrot. Sort the fruits and vegetables. Orange. Grapes. Capsicum. Corn. Very good! Clothes. Toys. Clothes. Toys. Sort the pictures where they belong. Clothes. Toys. Clothes. Toys. Marvelous! What do we use to brush our teeth? Toothbrush. What is hot? Fire. What do we drive? Car. What do we wear? Clothes. What do we write with? Pencil. What do we drink from? Water bottle. Perfect!
When I eat my meal, I stay at the table and sit on my chair. When I eat my meal, I use a spoon. First, I pick up my spoon. Then, I dip my spoon in the bowl and take some food. Then, I put this. When I chew the food, my mouth is closed. I finish the. When I finish my food, I keep. After finishing my food, I take the napkin and wipe my. Great job! Brushing keeps my teeth healthy and strong. First, I grab my toothbrush. I take the toothpaste. Then I turn the tap on. Then I wash my toothbrush. I turn the tap. Great job! I twist the cap of the toothpaste to open it. I squeeze the toothpaste on the toothbrush. Great job! I brush all my teeth properly. Once I am done brushing, I spit in the sink. Then I turn the tap on again. Then I wash my toothbrush. I turn the tap off.
Marvelous! Copy the pattern. Amazing! Amazing! Good job! Amazing! Amazing! Copy the pattern. Good answer! Good job! Good answer! Amazing! Good job! Copy the pattern. Good answer! Good answer! Good job! Good answer! Good answer! Perfect! Copy the pattern. Blue, blue, green, blue, red, red. Good job! Copy the pattern. Yellow, yellow, green, blue, yellow, green. Good job! Copy the pattern. Yellow, yellow, blue, green, yellow, red. Good job! Marvelous! Find the correct shadow. Crow, owl, parrot, Find the correct shadow. Chicken. Pigeon. Pigeon. Find the correct shadow. Owl. Peacock. Eagle. Very good! Copy the pattern. Amazing! Copy the pattern. Good job! Copy the pattern. Perfect! Color the picture. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. Keep going. 4, 4. 1. Good answer. Color the picture. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 4, 5. Good job! Color the picture. 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Good answer! Marvelous! Copy the picture. Amazing! Copy the picture. Good answer! Copy the picture. Keep going. Good try. Good try. Good try. Good answer. Perfect. Memorize the pattern. Complete the pattern. Good job! Good job! Keep going. Good answer. Good job. Memorize the pattern. Good try. Try again. Good try. Amazing. Try again. Good job! Good try! Amazing! Good answer! Memorize the pattern. Complete the pattern.